Aloha and welcome to Kadal Cuisine. Today I'm going to take you through how to make a cucumber lavender mojito. Go ahead and grab your copy of the book. I will link it down here below for you if you don't already have it. And follow along as I show you some of the secrets and tips to making this beautiful cocktail. Alright, to start us off, you guys, we are going to juice our limes. I always like to roll my limes to get the most juice out of them if possible. You can do this by applying pressure to the lime and kind of rolling it back and forth. I always prefer to make my cocktails with fresh lime juice instead of the pre-made store-bought kind. You're going to see a huge difference in your recipes and your cocktails if you just take an extra 30 seconds to follow this step. Next, we're going to do our cucumbers. We're going to slice a few of those cucumber wedges and cut those into fourths. I just find that when we muddle these, it's a lot easier to muddle them in these little pieces. And then we're going to prepare our lime wedges. Once you cut your lime in half, then you can go ahead and rotate it like you see me doing here, and you can usually get 3 to 4 wedges out of each one. Now that we've prepared, we're going to go ahead and start muddling our cucumber, and then take one of those lime wedges you just prepared and go ahead and just drop that in. The skin of the lime really gives a great little twist to this. And then you're going to go ahead and add your mint. As you saw, I slapped my mint just to get a little bit more of those oils into this cocktail. Now you're going to go ahead and add the rest of your ingredients. So your preferred vodka, and then you're going to go ahead and add that lime juice that you just prepared. Again, fresh is best if you've got it available to you. And then this is where you can add in that lavender syrup that you saw us adding there. So next we are going to shake it. And the more that you shake it, the more these flavors kind of get to know each other. So anywhere between 30-60 seconds if you can. And next we're going to get our highball glass. And it's really important to fill this with fresh ice if you can. And this is where you can kind of take some creative freedom. Again, a little slap of the mint, get the oils out. You can strain this drink if that's how you like it, like I'm doing here, or you can kind of dump in what was in the cocktail shaker. It's totally up to you, but don't forget to finish it off with your club soda. And then you can go ahead and incorporate the rest of it and mix that all in. This cocktail has amazing flavors with the cucumber and the lavender syrup, the fresh mint, and the lime. Next, you're going to garnish, and so I just put a little bit of a cut on a lime to allow it to sit on the rim. Get your mint to garnish. That mint was not worthy, so just take a second and find a piece of mint that was. And there you go. Voila, you have your cucumber lavender mojito. Enjoy!